Guys, welcome back. So this will be our final tutorial in this playlist. In this video, we will be deploying our ChatGPT application. Okay. For that, we will be using S3 bucket. Okay. So let me create a bucket here. Okay. I can give ChatGPT okay, this has to be unique. This name has to be unique, so I have given this kind of a name. Okay, now let me uncheck this. I can keep rest of the things. I can make it default. Okay, let me create this. Okay, I have to check this. Okay, create bucket. Okay. So this is my bucket. Let me open it. Okay. Here you can click on this properties. You can scroll down. See, there is an option static web hosting. Just click on edit. We can enable the static web hosting. Okay. Here we can give index.html. Okay. Now this is optional, so I'm not going to give anything there. Okay. Just click save changes. Okay. So once that is done, we can go to the permission part. The permission part, we can just edit the policy here. So just click on the edit policy. So I have a predefined policy. Let me copy and paste here. Okay. So here we need to replace our bucket name. Okay. So this is my bucket name. Let me copy and let me paste it here. Okay. Now just save. Just save changes. Okay. Now I am in object tab. Now let me try to upload the index.html file. Okay. Just click on the add file. Maybe I can drag and drop the file. That is easy. Index.html. Let me upload this. Okay. So this is success. Let me close this. Let me go to the properties. Here we can see the hosting URL. So this is the URL. Let me click on this. See, we can see our index.html here. Here we can give the same query or same prompt that we have given. My web camera is not working. Just submit this. Okay, so as usual, it may take maybe 6 to 12 seconds. You can just wait for some time. Yep. So we got the result. See? So this is, if your web camera is not working, there are a few steps that we need to follow and blah blah blah. They are saying there are like 1, 2, 3, 4 steps are there. Yep. So we are successfully deployed our application. So that is all about in this video. Okay. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day.